Wondering why your Tesla Model S alarm is silent? Let's break it down step by step. First, check if your alarm is actually turned on. Open the Tesla app, go to Controls, then Safety and Security, and make sure Security Alarm is switched on. Still no luck? Hop into your car and tap Controls on the touchscreen. Look for Sentry Mode and check if it's active. This feature adds another layer of protection and can sometimes impact your alarm system. Next, let's test the alarm. Lock your doors, wait a minute, then try opening a door with the key fob away from the car. No alarm? It could be a software glitch. Head to Software on your Tesla screen and check for updates. If there's one available, install it. Updates often fix bugs like this. Still not working? Try a simple reboot. Hold down both scroll wheels on the steering wheel until the screen goes black, then wait for it to restart. Test the alarm again. If nothing works, it might be a hardware issue. Contact Tesla support or schedule a service visit through the app. So don't stress, most alarm issues are easy fixes. For more Tesla tips, hit subscribe.